Don't hit my car. Got a pedal. Yay, look at you! Woohoo! All by yourself! Wow, Zoe! Woo! You did it! Yay!
I didn't even notice you let go.
Dad didn't even hold on to you.
I'm gonna go show it to Brayden and Cammy.
Guess what? Dad didn't even hold on the whole time.
What? The whole time? I can finally do it on my own.
Yeah.
You keep practicing, you get even better and better.
I'm gonna go show it to Brayden and Cammy. Stop recording.